What's going on, guys? Sam and Bouret here with Adorama TV. Today, I'm going to show you where to place your subject in a bright sunny day, how to control the sun, and how to use flash to get a professional looking image. Let's go shoot. This is what not to do. If your subject is facing the sun directly, you'll get squinting, harsh shadows, and blown highlights. This is the fastest way to make your photo look amateur. The first thing I always do is find shade. When you put your subject in shade, you instantly soften the light. No more harsh shadows, no more squinting. Now the light is even, but we lose detail in the background. And it gets overexposed because we have to overcompensate to expose the model correctly, especially if you want to shoot wide open, and that's where flash comes in. Now I bring in flash to create my own light direction. Instead of fighting the sun, I'm replacing it. This gives me full control over how the light hits my subject. Clean, consistent, and professional. But if you want to shoot wide open in bright sunlight, you need high-speed sync. This allows you to use much faster shutter speeds. That's how you get that clean, separated look even in the middle of the day. If you can't find shade, create it. You can use a diffuser to block the sun from hitting your subject directly. This turns harsh sunlight into soft, flattering light. Now here's what most people ignore. Your angle matters. Just by moving around your subject, you can completely change how the light looks. Try shooting with the sun behind your subject, slightly to the side, or fully blocked. Each one gives you a different look. Once you add flash, you can shape it exactly how you want. I know this can mess with your composition if you're trying to shoot from a specific angle because you like the background, but if that's the case, go back to the other two techniques. The goal is simple: put your subject in shade or create shade with a diffuser, then use flash to control your light and adjust your angle to refine the look. That's how you shoot in harsh sun like a pro. If you can control light, you can shoot anywhere, anytime. Don't let the sun control your photos. You control the light. Alright guys, that was it. I hope today you learned where to place your subject, how to control the sun, and how to use flash to get a good looking image. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.